इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि कैसे आप कांस्टेंट स्ट्रेस एंजाइटी जोन के सिचुएशन में रहते हुए भी स्ट्रेस फ्री लाइफ जी सकते हैं। You know very well, you are aware about that how earlier the nature of job was. जैसे ही टेक्नोलॉजी आई, ग्लोबलाइजेशन हुआ, कोरोना के बाद वर्क फ्रॉम होम हुआ, सो नेचर ऑफ जॉब हैज़ बीन चेंजिंग एंड स्टिल इट इज़ चेंजिंग। धीरे धीरे मार्केट में नए नए कंपनी आते गए और उसी के साथ मार्केट में कंपटीशन भी बढ़ा। कंपटीशन बढ़ने के बाद उसका सबसे ज़्यादा प्रभाव हुआ एम्प्लॉयज़ पर, स्टाफ पर। उन्हें कॉन्स्टेंटली पीक परफॉर्मेंस पे काम करना था। उनकी परफॉर्मेंस अगर कभी कम हो रही है तो उसका डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट कंपनियों पर होता था। उसके अलावा आपको पता ही है कि कॉरपोरेट पॉलिटिक्स, नेपोटिज्म, लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स, ब्लड सकिंग डेडलाइन, वर्क लाइफ इम्बैलेंस, दीज आर द मेन थिंग्स इन अ प्रोफेशनल लाइफ that stress has been increasing, and WHO also warned that stress is going to become a number one epidemic. And you know what, जब हम कोई नई कंपनी ज्वाइन करते हैं या कई गवर्नमेंट जॉब में सिलेक्शन हो जाता है तो स्टार्टिंग में बहुत खुशी होती है कि हम अपने पाँव पर खड़े हुए, लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम समय बीतते जाता है वैसे वैसे हमें पता चलता है कि जो हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि जॉब लगने के बाद सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। When I joined electrical distribution company in 2017, I was very excited because I was the first person in my home that I got government job. I was very happy when I got a joining letter and we have celebrated like, yeah, I got a job. That was super amazing experience. When I joined that electrical distribution company, within a month I realized that this is not for me, or I am not for this job. You can say anything, but every day constant blood sucking deadlines, customer pressure, boss pressure, electrical maintenance work, and every day I used to listen electrical accidents. So it was so negative and stressful environment. और जब आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं और आपका इन्वायरमेंट पूरा कांस्टेंट स्ट्रेस निगेटिविटी से भरा होता है तो आप हेल्पलेस हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग अ जॉब फॉर द सेक ऑफ डूइंग। यू वांटेड सम फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट, फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट। दैट इज द की रीजन most people do their job and they constantly suffer in that stressful situation. Many people are helpless in their work and they feel emptiness. There is no satisfaction in their work and professional life. Why? Because these are the things. So many individuals suffer with chronic stress, burnout, frustration, anger, and because of this they are not able to manage their work and life. So everything are related to interconnected. If you are not mentally stable here, not able to manage your emotions, then how you able to live a good life? How you able to manage your work life balance? How your productivity will improve? Yeah, there will be a situation you are surrounded with negativity, stressful environment, constant career pressure, job pressure, boss pressure. You will feel like you are in a pressure cooker. And in this situation also, how you can live a stress-free, happy life, we are going to discuss. The outcome of this situation, like you feel like frustrated, you can't able to control your emotions, like you maybe burst on someone like due to anger. Many people suffer with the guilt, like they can't do anything except living in that constant zone. Ultimately their performance reduces and their career growth also stop. So I was facing same. So there are three key elements. If you apply it in your life, definitely you will be living a stress-free life. So what are those? The first is gratitude. Yes, gratitude. What is gratitude? Whatever you have, whatever, however small it may be, however big it may be grateful for that. So gratitude helps to see from scarcity to abundance. So what you have to do, like you have to count blessings. Every day as you wake up early in the morning, write things that you are grateful for and give reason why you are grateful for. Yeah, I am giving just example. I have wonderful job. Because of that job, I am able to manage my finances, and that is the main source. So I am very grateful for that. You can be grateful for the salary coming to your account. You can be grateful for the job you have. You can be grateful for your personal life. You can be grateful for your eyes that you can see this colorful world. So don't question these things like how it's gonna change or remove my stress. Unless and until you practice, you can't able to witness. So पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. So count your blessings, and I have started the series of gratitude. You can click there and you can practice in your daily life and apply it, and you will see the tremendous change in your life. Second is like stay away from the negative people. Yeah, in your environment also there will be a toxic people. They are keep pulling you down, but try to spend minimum time with them and find such a people you feel like they can help you. So spend some time with them so that you feel very good. Okay, you can express whatever the things comes in your mind, and stay away from the negative and toxic people. And last thing is celebration. Yes, however small thing you achieve in your life, just celebrate it. Every day find something that, whether it happens with you, with your family members, so celebrate. Celebration is the key, because life is a process, journey. If you are not celebrating small things, then your life like a hollow. So celebrate and enjoy small things, and don't stop smiling. As you wake up early in the morning, give lovely smile. Whenever you meet with some people or with your boss or in your office, give lovely smile. Yes. So smile is one of the best weapon to kill the stress. So express gratitude, stay away from the negative peoples, toxic peoples, find positive peoples, and celebrate small things. When you express gratitude for your work, the job you have, you will find that there will be a meaning, because that is the source of your income, and because of that income you are able to live the life you are living. So express gratitude for wonderful job, wonderful salary, and you will start to find meaning in your life. And I agree that there will be the situations like constant stress, but unless and until you try new things and try it as an experiment. I'm not saying like this is a panacea, but many people have witnessed the change after practicing this gratitude. So you can try it as an experiment, and after you witness some change, let me know in the comment box, and I love to read your experience too. So I hope you got some insights from this video. If you enjoy this video, so hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share this video among your colleagues and friends to live stress-free happy life. So keep learning, keep smiling, keep enjoying. Stay healthy. Amir Shekh signing off.